G'day guys, this episode we're going to try and pull apart the rear axle brake assembly and see what's inside. Okay, we'll start off by dropping the oil out of the diff. This diff has actually been rebuilt 20 years ago, never used. I've got certification on this being completed and everything. Look, the diff oil is going to be brand new in it, but I'm not sure if moisture's got in there and what it's done to it or anything like that. So I'm going to drop it and put new oil in there once I've actually put it all back together. Okay. You can see it's very black and sludgy. And it's having a bit of fun coming out actually, so good thing it's been replaced.
I'll go grab my jumper.
Okay. Yeah, just a little bit of surface rust in there once again, like the front ones. I'll clean up alright.
I have a lot of cutting out to do.
Yeah, that's fine. I might have to replace it. Very corroded. Very, very corroded, that one. That may need to be replaced. Okay, what we've got here is the actual back brakes, obviously because that's what I'm working on. This is where the actual shoes sit in, either end. The other end is where the cylinder is and pushes out, so this one actually does slide, sorry, the other side. The piston, the wheel cylinder itself actually slides and centers itself, and this is like a pivot point. Nothing to do with this, just got to give it a quick clean up and pop it back in when it's ready. Doesn't look too bad on the inside. On the outside though, you can see where all the brake fluid has rusted. I've taken the paint off and rusted the backing plate, so into the sandblaster and some 2-pack paint on that afterwards. Okay, that's feeling all very, very good. There's no need to replace anything because, like I said, it's rebuilt and hasn't been on the road since it's been rebuilt. So I will reassemble it without having to change the seals or bearings. That's all done. All I'll do is just give it a good coat of paint, replace a few brake parts like those wheel cylinders here. They're quite rusty. This one I can actually move a little bit. The other one is rusted solid. You can't move it at all. So I think it's about $110 for a new set of these with the rubber boots. So I will replace them. The shoes look good. I'm just not 100% sure if they've been contaminated or not. Possibly have been. I'm not sure how to tell. So if anyone's got any ideas to say whether it's been contaminated or not, it's got a little bit of rust on the back, but it doesn't matter. Let me know. I might just replace them just for due course. Just the simple reason is better to be safe than sorry. Okay guys, that's it for this episode. Now the diff, as you can see, is all pretty good. The brakes, yes, I need to replace a few parts there, but nothing major. The diff, seals and bearings I'm not touching because, like I said earlier, they have been replaced and without any running time, so they'll be fine. I will flush out the diff oil because it did look a little bit black. Not sure why. It's because it is supposed to be new. I would imagine it to be new. It looked very black, but towards the end it was actually showing a green colour, so possibly that might just be the actual type of oil it was. I'm not sure. Anyway, I've had a guy come round to have a look at the work I've done. He's a panel beater and spray painter, so he's given me a few more tips and ideas on what to do with the body panels and the chassis. So what I'll be doing next is working back on the chassis itself. I'll be stripping off all the paint, coating it in 2-pack primer, and then taking it around to his house and spraying it with a top coat of 2-pack semi-gloss black, just to make it all look nice. Come back here and fit it all back together. Okay, so we'll see you again soon. Bye.